Today we're in downtown Laguna Beach, one of Southern California's quintessential coastal villages. Properties in areas like this are in many ways priceless. So let us use my newest listing to discuss the mechanics of pricing investment real estate in premium locations like Laguna Beach. This is a 5-unit property. There's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom cottage with a beautiful interior and ocean views, and 4 1-bedroom apartments. Overall, the property is meticulously maintained and the rents are well in line with the market rates. Over the past 6 months, properties like this have been trading at cap rates in the range of below 3 to 3.5% or so. Do you know why rates are as low as below 3%? Appreciation. Over the past 20 years, homes in Laguna Beach have appreciated 267%. That's 6.1% every year. And over an even greater period of time of 37 years, homes have appreciated at almost 9% annually. While a low cap rate may mean less cash flow in the short term, this property is projected to appreciate significantly. This leads to a higher return on investment when the property is sold or refinanced in the future. If you're interested in learning more about investing in coastal markets, connect with us today.